Okay, so in this video, I want to kind of play a game with two AI image generators where I collaborate between them to generate a final image. So how this is going to work is basically I'm going to give ChatGPT, let's say we start with that. I'm going to give it a prompt to generate an image. Then I'm going to take that image and put it into MidJourney. I'm going to tell it to improve on it and iterate on it. And then I'm going to take that image from MidJourney and put it back into ChatGPT. And I'm going to do this 3 times for each. And let's see what the results are. I haven't tried this before, so this is the first time I've tried it. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give ChatGPT-4o, I'm going to give it this prompt. I want you to write me a prompt for an image generator AI. The image should represent a cat king giving a final speech to its cat army before the final battle of world domination. There needs to be a lot of detail, a lot of variety, and chaos. The whole scene is realistic and intense. Write a 200-word description that instructs the AI to generate me that image. So if I hit run for that, I'm going to get a prompt. There we go. So 200 words of prompt. I'm going to just copy that. Now I'm going to go to DALL-E rather than ChatGPT because DALL-E generates me 2 images and they're usually a bit better than what I get directly in ChatGPT from my experience. So let's see the first image that is generated. All right, so that looks really interesting. Let me just open this one up. I like this one actually because you can see the Cat King kind of very well defined here. So I'm going to download this image and put it up on MidJourney API. All right, so here we are in MidJourney. I have uploaded the image. The reason I didn't show you the entire process is because I needed to convert the downloaded image from DALL-E, which is WebP, to JPEG in order to be able to upload it here, because otherwise MidJourney kind of bugs a little bit. All right, so this is the prompt that I'm going to give it. This is the initial prompt, so I'm just going to copy paste the initial prompt here, and then at the end I'm going to say I want you to take this image and improve it, add more detail, make the characters more extreme, make the scene more intense. Okay, so I'm going to hit generate and let's see what MidJourney gives us. All right, so MidJourney image generation is done. Let's have a look at the images. This is the first one. Second, that's kind of a cute cat, isn't it? And then the so-called cat army. Then we have the king and its companion. And then finally this one. Okay, so which one do you prefer? I kind of prefer this one because it's showing that the cat is actually a king. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to download it and upload it to DALL-E and take it from there. All right, so here we are in DALL-E. I have a new chat. I have uploaded the image and I've given it the exact same prompt. So this is DALL-E run number 2. Let's hit run and then just wait for the output. All right, so we got the results. I kind of like these images actually. So this one looks kind of cute. And the second one is a bit more intense with the king actually making the speech. Okay, so I'm going to use this second image. Now I need to convert it to JPEG, so I'm just going to skip ahead and upload that to MidJourney. By the way, I just noticed the Game of Thrones style, throne here in the back. That's pretty cool. All right, so this is MidJourney run number 2. I have the image, I have the prompt, and I'm gonna hit generate. All right, image generation complete. And these look really, really nice. There's a lot of detail, a lot of information here. So we have our first image, second one, third one, and then the final one. Which one do you like most? I think I like this one, number 1, or maybe number 2. I'm not really sure. Maybe go with number 2. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to download it and upload it to DALL-E. All right, so the final run for DALL-E, I've uploaded the image and the prompt, and let's see what image we get. Okay, DALL-E images done. So that is the final run for DALL-E. I really like this one, and let's check out the second one. Second one is really cute too, but I think I prefer the first one. Yes, I think I prefer this one. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to convert it to JPEG, upload it to MidJourney API, and hit run for the third and last time on MidJourney as well. All right, so back in my MidJourney in the API, I'm going to hit generate and see what the final output from MidJourney is going to be. All right, so image generation done. Let's have a look at the final images. So we have this one. That's the first one. Second, that's pretty cute. I like that one. Third, I really like this one as well. And then the final one. All right, so that looks pretty good. Now, I'm not really sure which one I prefer. I'm probably going to do in editing, I'm going to do a kind of a full screen of the image that I like. But one thing to kind of notice is that the progress from image to image wasn't really that important, right? There wasn't too much change from image to image. Sure, there were different images, but there was no kind of improvement in quality or substance, right? So that might be down to the fact that I provide the same prompt every single time, but it seems like the images that I provide aren't really taken into account for both DALL-E and MidJourney. They both kind of build their own version of the prompt, but there's no real improvement on the image from before, right? It's just a completely new image that is kind of somewhat related because it is the same prompt. So that's kind of something to think about. You don't really, they don't really add to each other that much. All right, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.